Welcome to the Household Chef, and tonight we're making trail slaw. This is a riff on something I found in California. It's a coleslaw with a modified trail mix in it. It has walnuts, almonds, pistachios, sunflower seeds, and dried cranberries, but it does not have chocolate and it does not have raisins in it. A classic slaw is sweet with a little tang in it, and with this trail mix, definitely takes it up a notch. Here's the ingredients list, and I'll also put this in the information section below. And what I wanted to point out too is I wanted to make this easy, so I used store-bought coleslaw mix and also the trail mix, and I just removed the raisins and the chocolates and left all the nuts in there. So what we're going to do here is combine all the wet ingredients. So there you saw I did the apple cider vinegar, the honey, the mayo, and the Dijon mustard, and we're going to blend this all very well together. And this is where you want to taste and season your opportunity to add a little salt and pepper if you feel it's necessary. Now we're going to combine the dry ingredients. I have the coleslaw mix and the trail mix, and then the onions. We'll blend that all very well together as well. Now it's time to complete this dish. We're going to add the wet to the dry and blend this all together. Put it in the fridge for about an hour and it's ready to serve. This is by far the best coleslaw I've ever tasted, and I think you will find the same. The tang and the crunch of the nuts and the dried cranberries just make this awesome. So please like and subscribe if you can, and leave me a message if you like. And also, if you need the full ingredient list as well as a quick and easy method to follow, please go to my website, thehouseholdchef.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.